Hey guys, I'm here with Rosco, and you all might be wondering what's wrong with his one side. What's wrong with that? Well, I went to the vet for him a couple of days because he had, excuse me, a red thing on the back of his neck right here and right here, and the vet said this material on his collar he's allergic to it. So now, so they just shaved it off and said that we have to put ointment on it, 2 doses of ointment on it. Rosco, come here, come here. You don't want to read any more of the Hunger Games? Last night he sleeps with me on my bed and I was reading him the Hunger Games. And Rosco. Rosco, come here. Want a treat? Want to go outside? Want to go outside? Rosco, look it. Can you face that? Come here, Rosco. Come here. I love you. Yeah, so this is getting better. Before Rosco. Now only more of the Hunger Games. We only read 8 pages yesterday. See? Page 8. Wait, Rosco, gotta say goodbye. Rosco. Come on, buddy. Bye-bye. Rosco. Rosco. He's not listening right now. Rosco, I want to look. Come here. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Okay, good.